Hi everyone. Continuing my previous chapter, the preposition. Till now I have dealt with its different types and uses of certain prepositions. Today I am going to discuss certain words which have a particular preposition with it. There are so many words with which a particular preposition is used. For example, accuse. Accuse of, attend to, attend on, differ with, differ from, apply to, apply for, ask for, meet with, suggest to, propose to, listen to, live in, believe in, beware of, deal in, deal with, write to, write with, disposed of, wish for, admit of, pray to, talking about, enquire into, knock at, reply to, care for, married to, related to, meet on the way, quarrel over, full of, fight for, fight against, agree to, agree with, accuse of, aim at, belong to, care for, compare with, worthy of, sorry for, produce of, obedient to, loyal to, jealous of, engaged in, famous for, engaged to, inquire after, inquire into, born of, born to, busy with, busy in, engaged to, amazed at, angry with, angry at, think of, think over, talk of, talk to, talk with. Now, I am going to deal certain words which are in commonly used like among these and trying to show their uses. For example, accuse of. It means to blame. Accuse of means to blame. For example, the police accused him of murder. The police accused him of murder. Agree with, that means to give consent. I preferably agree with you on this topic. I preferably agree with you on this topic. Agree to, that means it is related to person. To give consent to a plan, person or plan. For example, I preferably agree to your proposal. I preferably agree to your proposal. Next is attend to, that is listen to. Attend to means listen to. For example, attend to my class. It also means be attentive in my class. Attend to my class. Attend to your lessons regularly. Attend on. Attend on means to serve or to nurse. She is attending on her ailing father-in-law. She is attending on her ailing father-in-law. Next is deal in and deal with. Deal in means to trade in. Deal, for example, my uncle deals in coal. Or my uncle deals in oil products. Deal with, to behave. Deal with means to behave. For example, I have dealt with this topic in detail. Differ with and differ from. Differ with means disagree with a person, and differ from means be different from something. It is very difficult to go through all the words, and there are certain more words, so just I have given you hints how they are being used with certain prepositions only. Thank you.